Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizer, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, Secretary Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Ms. Nivedita Shukla Verma ji, Joint Secretary Shri Deepankar Aaron, DG FICCI Ms. Jyoti Viz, Co-Chairman FICCI Shri Rajendra Gogri ji and Shri Amit Chaturvedi, senior officers from the central government who are present here, members of the diplomatic community, resident commissioners, representatives of the state governments and industry leaders. It gives me great pleasure to address you all at the launch of the 13th edition of India Chem 2024, which has emerged as a flagship event, a key event, and in fact, one of the largest composite events in the Asia-Pacific region for the chemicals and the petrochemical sector. And this is a very unique opportunity, a very unique platform to bring together industry leaders, policy makers, innovators, as well as researchers from across the globe to have an opportunity for exchanging their ideas, forging partnerships, and exploring new possibilities to move ahead in the sector. As almost every speaker before me has said, that this is a sector which is very important, very vital for the overall economic growth of the country. And it's like a backbone which supports many other industries like textiles, automobiles, agriculture. So the importance of this sector can never be understated. Today, the Indian chemical industry is valued at $220 billion. As we saw during the course of the presentation, it is expected to reach around $300 billion by the year 2025 and reach $1 trillion by the year 2040. If we talk about its contribution to India's GDP, it's around 5.9%, and the share of the sector in India's overall exports is around 7%. The share of India in the global chemical sales is around 3%, and India today is 6th in the world and 4th in Asia in the chemical market side. So is the importance of this industry, and today this sector has actually established India as a key global player. And the government of India recognizes this sector as a key priority area, and this is why we have our clear focus on the investment-friendly reforms and the removal of policy bottlenecks. We're making our best efforts to support the industry by enhancing the ease of doing business, by bringing down the compliance burdens, by rationalizing the tax structure, also bringing about the FDI policy reforms, and making our special efforts to boost the domestic manufacturing processes. Ladies and gentlemen, maintaining quality is also the concern of Government India, whether it is our domestic manufacturing or the imports. And from time to time, we keep implementing the quality control orders. With these initiatives and measures, we actually attempt to make India an attractive destination for investment and also transform the country into a global hub for the manufacturing of chemicals as well as the petrochemicals. And while we promote the industry, promote the sector, we're also cognizant of the key challenges which pertain to sustainability and environmental impact. So as we launch the 13th edition of India Chem today, it's also an opportunity and a platform for me to urge you to embrace the sustainable practices where you adopt the green chemistry principles, reduce the carbon footprints, and enhance energy efficiency. There has to be a concerted effort on the part of the industry to adopt the principles of circular economy, which means you would minimize the use and the generation of hazardous chemicals, use methods which bring about improved water management, also looking for biotechnological and bio-based processes as alternatives to the traditional chemical synthesis methods, and the adoption of energy-efficient technologies. And these are important not just from the angle of sustainability, but also for enhancing efficiency and competitiveness in the sector. Friends, as you are aware, India Chem 2024 is themed around Advantage Bharat, Indian chemicals and petrochemicals paving the future. You have had our secretary and joint secretary speak about the details of the event, 3-day long event, where you'll have several sector-specific roundtables, the Global CEO Forum, so many thousands of business delegations visiting this India Chem, and exhibitors. So it will be a huge opportunity for industries from across the globe to actually meet, talk, discuss, deliberate, and develop strategies to take the industry forward. India Chem today actually has a long history. We started it way back in the year 2000, and this year it is going to be the 13th edition. And over the years, it has grown in its reputation, and the benefits that it brings to the sector, to the industry, to the country are immense. This event particularly has been helpful in attracting investments in the PCPIR, also playing a vital role in enhancing our bilateral trade, and it has been observed that a number of global companies, after participating in India Chem, they happen to invest more in the country. Hence, the relevance of this event can never be understated insofar as the economic growth of the country is concerned. I would urge each one of you, the entire industry, all the participants to make best use of this opportunity. And in conclusion, I would like to congratulate the organizers for the successful launch of the 13th edition, and I wish them all the best for India Chem 2024, which is going to be from 17th to 19th October. I am very confident, very certain that with your meticulous planning and with your unwavering commitment, this event will be a resounding success. Thank you very much.